Children, welcome back. Now we are going to do exercises given in your grammar book, chapter Nouns, Possessive Case. We have discussed it already in detail. So open your books on page number 72. Let's start. Let's move to exercise 1. Exercise 1. Write down the possessive form of the following. The name of the boy. Whose name? The boy. So we will bring the boy in front and then we will add apostrophe S and then the name. Got it? The paws of the dog. Now whose paws we are talking about? The dog. So we will write the dog and then paws and we will add apostrophe between G and S because dog is singular here. So the dog's paws. The song of the bird is singular. So whose song? The bird. So we will bring the bird in front. The bird's song, and for apostrophe, we will add apostrophe between D and S. Apostrophe S shows possession. Whose song? The bird's song. The voice of the child. Whose voice we are talking about? The child's. So the child's voice will be the answer, and again the apostrophe will be between D and S. The mother of the baby. Whose mother? The baby's mother. Apostrophe will be between Y and S because baby is singular here. The shop of the grocer. The grocer is singular. The grocer's shop, and after R we will add apostrophe S. The house of my friend. Whose house? My friend's house. So you will add apostrophe between D and S. My friend is singular. The horse of the hero. The hero is your singular. So you will add apostrophe between O and S. The hero's horse. The handbag of the lady. Whose handbag? The lady's handbag. Lady is singular. So you will write L-A-D-Y and after Y you will add apostrophe and then S. The lady's handbag. The son of the barber. The barber is singular and whose son? The barber's. So we will write the barber here, then apostrophe S to show possession. Whose son we are talking about. Now exercise 2. Write down the possessive form of the following. Children, here we will write possessive forms. The feet of the geese. Whose feet? The geese feet. In the end we have E in the end, so we'll add apostrophe S there. The voices of the children. We are talking about whose voices? The children's voices. So the children. No doubt children is plural, but it doesn't end with S. So we will add apostrophe S after children. Apostrophe S. The songs of the woman. Whose song? The woman's song. So again the woman, no doubt it's plural, but it doesn't end with S. So we will add apostrophe S from our side to show its position. The woman's songs. The purses of the ladies. Now, the ladies' purses. We already have S in the end. So we will only add apostrophe. We will not add S again. So the ladies, then apostrophe and then purses. The cries of the babies, similar case. The babies cries and babies end in S. So we will only add apostrophe. We will not add S again. The feathers of the birds feathers. We will add only apostrophe. Whose feathers? The bird's feather. To show possession, we have just added apostrophe in the end because we already have S with the birds. The tails of the foxes tails. Again, the foxes ends with S. We will only add apostrophe. The foxes tails. The legs of the buffaloes. Whose legs? The buffalo's legs. Buffaloes end in S. we will only add apostrophe. Buffalo's legs, the shouts of the men. Whose shouts? The men. So we will write the men's shouts. Why we have added apostrophe s now? Because men is plural, but it doesn't end with s. We have added apostrophe s, that's why. After apostrophe, we have added s because men doesn't end in s. The laughter of the children. Whose laughter? The children's laughter. And again, children, there's no s, so we will add apostrophe. There's no s, so we will add apostrophe s to show possession. The children's laugh. Exercise 3 is not in your syllabus. Put cross on that. And let's move to exercise 4. Now write out the following in short form. You have been given the longer forms. Now you have to write them in shorter form. Shorter form means in possessive cases. The dog belonging to Mary. Now whose dog? Mary's dog. So you will write Mary apostrophe s, possessive case, and then doll. The house belonging to Mr. Hill. Whose house? Mr. Hill's house. So after Mr. Hill, add apostrophe and then s and then house. Mr. Hill's house. The tools used by the gardener. Whose tools? The gardener's tools. Gardener is singular, so we will add apostrophe s. Gardener's tools. Uniforms of the sailors. So the sailors' uniforms. Sailors is plural, so you will add only apostrophe. So the sailors' uniforms. The toys belonging to the children. Whose toys? The children's toys. And after children, you will add apostrophe. The nest built by the swallows. Whose nest? The swallow's nest. Swallows already end in s, so we will only add apostrophe here. The car owned by the lady. Whose car? The lady's car. Lady is singular. We don't have s, so we will add apostrophe s here. The lady's car. The shop kept by the baker. Whose shop? The baker's shop. We will add apostrophe. The baker's shop. The parents of the boys. Whose parents? The boys' parents. Boys already end with s, so we will only add apostrophe in the end. Last sentences. The room set aside for the teachers. Whose room set? The teacher's room set. Teachers are already given in plural form, so we will only add apostrophe in the end. The teacher's room set. That's all, children. Bye-bye. And you have to complete the exercises given in your grammar books after watching the video. That's it.